Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine too, thank you. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Safa Azalia Putri Agandi. I am from Polban Lab Tour and Travel, and I will be your tour guide for today. Today, we are going to do walking tour on Asia Africa Street. The name of the street is related to the conference of Asia Africa who held in 1955. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Indonesia, especially Bandung City. Bandung is the capital of West Java, where you can find art, culture, tourism, hospitality, and food at the same time. We have some unique things to explore, but sadly at this time the time is so limited, so we just to do a walking tour on Asia Africa Street. By the way, I have a riddle for you. What is the longest street in the world? Do you have any idea? Yeah? No? Asia Africa Street. Why? Because this street is past Asia and Africa continent. Oh my god, you're so funny. I know that. Street, we will see some old historical heritage building in the heart of the city, of course, in Bandung.
This is our starting point, 0 kilometer of Bandung. We can see a yellow vibro roller as a sign of 0 point. It is indicate that the start of establishment of the city is begun here. At the time, our former general government, Mr. Herman William Dendel, said if this area must be built to be a city when I come back. Then, our regent, Mr. R.A. Wiranatakusuma II, fulfilled the order on 25 September 1810. Beside the vibro roller, you can see the statue of Mr. Dendels, Mr. Wiranatakusuma II, Mr. Sukarno, our first president, and Mr. Masotarjo Kartohadiskusumo, our former governor of West Java. Ladies and gentlemen, on your left and right side, you can see some stone ball on the pedestrian. Each stone ball has been written a name of Asia Africa countries. And on your right side, there is a Savoy Homan Hotel, a hotel where the leader of Asia Africa countries stay for the conference. This hotel was renovated in 1939 by I.F. Albert, and in the front of the hotel we can see the result of the conference or Dasasila Bandung. From this hotel, Mr. Sukarno and the other leader of Asia Africa did walking tour to Gedung Merdeka, the venue of the conference. And this is Gedung Merdeka. It was built in 1929 and C.P. Wolf Schoenmaker was the architect. On 18 until 24 April 1955, at this building, 29 countries attend Asia Africa Conference to make a commitment about solidarity and freedom for Asia Africa countries. Now, some part of this building are used for Museum of Asia Africa Conference, where you can see some display, photograph, and other document of Asia Africa Conference. By the way, you can see there are many cosplay of superhero and ghosts here. Do you feel afraid? Or do you want to take some picture with them? And then this is our final spot, the Great Mosque of West Java. In the past, we call it Masjid Agung. This mosque has the twin tower with 81 meter above sea level. And you may go to the top to see the crowd of our downtown. But we will go there later. And we can see together in the front of mosque there is a square where the people of Bandung play with their children or just take some picture. Do you want to take some picture with them? I'll take it for you. By the way, we have traveled around Asia Africa Street. What do you feel? Feel happy? Feel great? Feel excited? I hope you enjoy this tour. Then see you later. Goodbye.